In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Microsoft Teams. This process is a fantastic way to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow, allowing you to seamlessly connect your form submissions with your team's communication platform. So let's jump right in. First, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. This part is simple but crucial, as you'll need access to all your forms. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Jotform account and find the My Forms section. This is where you can view all of the forms you've created. Take a moment to look through your forms and decide which one you'd like to integrate with Microsoft Teams. This preparation will make the integration process smoother. After selecting the form you want to integrate, open it up. Doing so takes you into the form builder, where you can make any necessary edits to your form. It's a good practice to ensure your form is exactly how you want it before moving forward with any integrations. In the form builder, look for the orange navigation bar at the top of your screen and click on Settings. This is your gateway to configuring your form's advanced options, including integrations, which is what we're focusing on today. Next, you'll find yourself in the Settings menu. Here, click on the Integrations tab. Jotform offers a variety of integrations, allowing you to connect with various third-party applications to extend your form's functionality. Our focus today is on Microsoft Teams. In the integration search bar, type in Microsoft Teams to find the correct option. Select Microsoft Teams from the list. This will initiate the integration setup process. Once you've selected Microsoft Teams, you'll have to choose an action from the available options. Actions dictate how form submissions will interact with Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to send notifications to a specific channel or create Teams meetings from form responses, make your choice and hit the next button. The subsequent step involves authentication. Click on the Authenticate button to link your Jotform account with your Microsoft account. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions for Jotform to access your Microsoft Teams. This step is essential for enabling the integration to function correctly. After authentication, you can set up the specific action you've chosen. This setup will personalize how each form submission will be treated within your Microsoft Teams environment. Take your time to configure these settings to fit your collaboration needs perfectly. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button. Saving your work will complete the integration process, ensuring that everything is connected and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with Microsoft Teams, enhancing your team's productivity and communication. Now every form submission can automatically lead to actionable tasks or updates in Teams. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.